We will be making leavened bread today. In 420 grams of all-purpose flour, I am adding half a teaspoon of salt and a dessertspoon of granulated sugar. After adding a dessertspoon of instant dry yeast, I will mix it. Then I will pour a tablespoon of olive oil on it, and I will add as much water as it would take to turn it into a dough. I initially added 50 milliliters of water, but I will keep adding it. I will knead it and add more water to it until it reaches the consistency of an earlobes. I am now covering it with cling film and leaving it to rest for half an hour. After half an hour, the dough has risen beautifully. Let's knock the air out of it using a spoon. I am now sprinkling some flour on the surface, and I am ripping off a piece of dough. I am rolling it into a round shape and pressing down on it to flatten it a little until it's 1.5 centimeters tall. Let's repeat this process until we have no dough left. After that, I will start cooking them. They should rest for 15 to 20 minutes for the yeast to work for the last time. Now in a pan without any oil, I am placing one of them and cooking it on low heat. If you used high heat, the inside of it would not cook. When one side changes color, I am turning it around. I keep turning it to its other side until both sides are nicely cooked. When you cook all of them, they're ready to eat. Enjoy!